Picture yourself walking into work, but this time you're not stressed or desperate. You're not worried about losing your job because you don't actually need it anymore. You're there by choice, not necessity. Most people quit their jobs emotionally, driven by frustration or burnout. But the smartest approach is to quit strategically with a plan. In this video, we'll break down exactly how you can build financial freedom in just 5 years before you ever hand in your resignation. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about creating lasting freedom so you never feel trapped again. Let's get started on your journey. Many people reach a breaking point and say, I hate my job, I'm quitting. That's emotion talking, not strategy. True financial freedom isn't about running away from something you dislike. It's about replacing your job's income with assets that pay you consistently. If your job pays $3,000 a month, freedom means your investments or side businesses cover that same amount every single month without overtime or stress. Ask yourself, could you survive a full year without your job? If not, don't worry. Today we'll build a plan to get you there step by step. First year is all about laying a solid foundation. It might feel boring, but that's where the real power lies. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for 90 days because you can't build freedom on financial chaos. Next, tackle high-interest debt, especially credit cards, which quietly drain your wealth. Then build a 6-month emergency fund. This cash reserve gives you confidence and peace of mind. Throughout the year, focus on increasing your income. Ask for a raise, upgrade your skills, or start learning high-income abilities like sales, coding, or using AI tools. Remember, your mission this year isn't total freedom, it's gaining control. Start your journey, you need to know exactly where your money goes. For the next 90 days, track every single dollar you spend. This might seem tedious, but it's the only way to spot leaks in your budget and understand your true expenses. Use a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet, whatever works for you. The goal is to bring order to your finances and eliminate chaos. Once you see the patterns, you'll be able to make smarter decisions and set realistic goals for saving and investing. Remember, you can't change what you don't measure. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, is a silent killer of wealth. If you're carrying balances with double-digit interest rates, make it your top priority to pay them off. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you can't invest in your future. Create a debt payoff plan, focus on the highest interest rates first, and make extra payments whenever possible. As your balances shrink, your confidence will grow. This step is essential for building a strong financial foundation and moving closer to true freedom. Life is unpredictable, and that's why you need a safety net. Aim to save enough to cover at least 6 months of living expenses. This emergency fund isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. Knowing you have cash reserves allows you to take calculated risks and avoid panic if something unexpected happens. Start small if you need to, but make regular contributions until you reach your goal. With this cushion in place, you'll feel more confident as you move forward on your path to financial freedom. While you're building your foundation, don't forget to look for ways to earn more. Ask for a raise at work, take on extra projects, or upgrade your skills. Consider learning high-income skills like sales, coding, video editing, or using AI tools. These abilities can open doors to new opportunities and higher pay. The more you earn, the faster you can pay off debt, build your emergency fund, and start investing. Remember, your goal in year 1 is to gain control over your finances, not to achieve total freedom just yet. Now things get exciting. In your second year, start creating income streams outside your main job. This could be freelancing, launching a YouTube channel, starting a small online business, investing in dividend stocks, or even rental property if possible. Your target is to make 25–40% of your salary from these new sources. Reinvest most of what you earn and avoid upgrading your lifestyle just yet. The goal is to build momentum, not to show off. As your side income grows, you'll realize you have real options, and that reduces fear. Freelancing is a flexible way to earn extra money outside your regular job. Whether you have skills in writing, design, programming, or consulting, there's a market for your talents. Start by offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to your network for opportunities. The key is to start small, deliver great work, and build a reputation. Over time, freelancing can become a significant source of income and help you move closer to financial independence. Launching a small online business is another great way to build a second income. This could be anything from selling products on Etsy or Amazon to offering digital courses or consulting services. The internet has made it easier than ever to reach customers around the world. Focus on solving real problems and providing value. Reinvest your profits to grow the business, and remember, the goal is to create a steady, reliable income stream, not to get rich overnight. Dividend investing is a powerful way to generate passive income. By buying shares in companies that pay regular dividends, you can start earning money without having to work for it. Research companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and consider using index funds for diversification. Reinvest your dividends to accelerate your growth. Over time, these small payments can add up and become a meaningful part of your financial freedom plan. If it's possible in your situation, consider investing in rental property. Real estate can provide steady monthly income and long-term appreciation. Start small, maybe with a single unit or a shared property. Do your research, understand the risks, and make sure the numbers work before you invest. Rental income can help you reach your goal of replacing your job's paycheck with assets that pay you every month. As your second income grows, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, but resist the urge. Instead, reinvest most of what you earn back into your side business or investments. This discipline will help you build momentum and accelerate your progress. Remember, the goal right now is to create options and reduce fear, not to impress others with flashy purchases. At year 3, it's time to level up. Don't just earn more, build systems that work for you. Automate your investments into index funds, dividend stocks, or other long-term assets. Start outsourcing small tasks in your business so you can focus on growth. Increase your prices as your skills improve. The target is for your side income to cover 50–75% of your living expenses. At this stage, you're not just an employee trying to escape, you're a builder designing your exit. Automation is your friend. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts each month. Focus on index funds, dividend stocks, and other long-term assets that grow over time. This removes emotion from the process and ensures you're consistently building wealth. The less you have to think about it, the more likely you are to stick with your plan. Automation is a key step toward financial freedom. As your side business grows, your time becomes more valuable. Start outsourcing small, repetitive tasks like bookkeeping, customer service, or social media management. This frees you up to focus on higher value activities like strategy and growth. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find reliable help. Remember, your goal is to build a business that runs smoothly, even when you're not involved in every detail. As your skills and reputation grow, don't be afraid to raise your prices. Higher rates mean you can work with fewer clients while earning the same or more income. This allows you to focus on quality over quantity and attract better opportunities. Review your pricing regularly and adjust as your value increases. Remember, confidence in your abilities is a key part of building financial freedom. Your target for year 3 is to have your side income cover at least half, ideally up to 75% of your living expenses. Notice this is about expenses, not your full salary. There's a difference. Focus on what you actually need to live comfortably and make sure your side income is reliable. This milestone is a huge confidence booster and brings you much closer to true freedom. At this point, your mindset shifts. You're no longer just an employee looking for an escape. You're a builder designing your own exit strategy. Every decision you make is about creating systems, building assets, and preparing for independence. This new perspective is empowering and sets you apart from those who quit without a plan. Year 4 is where most people stumble. They increase their income, but then they also increase their lifestyle: bigger apartments, new cars, more subscriptions. But true freedom requires discipline. Your goal is for your side income to consistently cover 100% of your monthly expenses for at least 12 months. This is the real test of readiness. Along with this, make sure you have a 12-month emergency fund, a solid health insurance plan, and multiple income streams. Now you're not just dreaming, you're truly prepared. It's tempting to reward yourself with a bigger apartment, a new car, or more subscriptions as your income grows, but this is where many people lose momentum. Instead, keep your expenses steady and channel extra income into savings and investments. The discipline to resist lifestyle inflation is what separates those who achieve freedom from those who stay stuck. Your main goal in year 4 is for your side income to cover all your monthly expenses. This means you could, in theory, walk away from your job tomorrow and still maintain your lifestyle. But don't rush. Make sure this income is consistent for at least 12 months before making any big decisions. Consistency is key to long-term security. By now, your emergency fund should be able to cover a full year of living expenses. This larger cushion gives you even more confidence and flexibility. If something unexpected happens, you'll have plenty of time to adjust without panic. Keep this fund in a safe, accessible account and only use it for true emergencies. Health insurance is a crucial part of your financial safety net. Make sure you have a solid plan in place before leaving your job. Research your options, compare costs, and choose coverage that fits your needs. Don't leave this to chance. Medical emergencies can derail your progress if you're not prepared. Relying on a single source of income is risky. By year 4, aim to have several streams like freelancing, investments, and small businesses. This diversification protects you if one stream slows down. The more sources you have, the more resilient your financial freedom becomes. At this stage, you're not just dreaming about freedom, you're truly prepared for it. You have the savings, the income, and the discipline to make your next move with confidence. This preparation is what sets you apart from those who quit impulsively and end up struggling. You're ready for the next step. Final year is all about making a smooth transition. You don't storm out of the office or make a dramatic exit. Instead, you transition thoughtfully. Consider going part-time, working remotely, negotiating flexible hours, or fully exiting when you're ready. The key is to leave only when your income is stable and you feel calm, not desperate. Real power comes from quiet confidence, not loud gestures. Strategic exit means you don't just quit one day out of frustration. Instead, you plan your transition. Maybe you reduce your hours, switch to remote work, or negotiate a flexible schedule. This approach gives you time to adjust and ensures your finances remain stable. It's about making smart moves, not emotional ones. One option for your transition is to go part-time or switch to remote work. This allows you to maintain some income and benefits while freeing up time for your side businesses or investments. It's a great way to test your new lifestyle before making a full exit. Discuss these options with your employer and see what's possible. If going part-time or remote isn't an option, try negotiating flexible hours. This could mean working 4 days a week, adjusting your schedule, or taking extended breaks. The goal is to create more space for your side projects while maintaining stability. Employers are often open to flexibility if you've proven your value. Only make a full exit from your job when your income is stable and you feel calm, not desperate. Don't leave just because you're frustrated or want validation from a job title. Real freedom is about quiet confidence and knowing you're in control. When you're ready, you'll know, and you'll leave on your own terms. True freedom isn't about making a scene or proving something to others. It's about quiet confidence, knowing you're secure, prepared, and in control of your future. This calm assurance is the real reward for all your hard work and discipline over the past 5 years. Financial freedom isn't about flashy cars or luxury lifestyles. It's about waking up without anxiety, knowing you have choices. It's the ability to design your life on your own terms, free from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. This is the real goal, not just wealth, but peace of mind and autonomy. Forget about Lamborghinis and luxury mansions. The true value of financial freedom is peace of mind. It's about having the security to make choices without fear and the flexibility to live life your way. When you're free from financial stress, you can focus on what truly matters to you. Time moves forward whether you take action or not. 5 years from now, you'll either be stuck in the same place or enjoying the freedom you built. The steps may seem slow at first, but every small action adds up. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll reach your goal. Don't wait for the perfect moment, begin today. Imagine the person you could become in 5 years if you start today. Your future self is waiting for you to take action. Every decision you make now, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you want. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The journey to freedom starts with a single step. Let's quickly recap the 5-year journey to financial freedom. Year 1, build your foundation by tracking spending, eliminating debt, and saving. Year 2, create a second income stream. Year 3, scale and automate your systems. Year 4, replace your expenses and maintain discipline. Year 5, make a strategic, confident exit. Each step builds on the last, leading you to lasting freedom. Throughout this journey, your mindset is your most valuable asset. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and don't let setbacks discourage you. The path to financial freedom isn't always easy, but with discipline and determination, you can achieve it. Remember, smart people quit strategically, not emotionally. It's easy to let emotions drive your decisions, especially when you're frustrated with your job, but discipline is what will carry you through the tough times. Stick to your plan, make decisions based on logic, and keep your eyes on the long-term goal. This approach will set you apart and ensure your success. Along the way, take time to celebrate your progress. Every debt paid off, every dollar saved, and every new income stream is a step closer to freedom. Recognize your achievements and use them as motivation to keep going. The journey is long, but every milestone matters. Consistency is the secret to success. Even when progress feels slow, keep showing up and sticking to your plan. Over time, your efforts will compound and lead to big results. Don't get discouraged by setbacks, just keep moving forward one step at a time. The world changes quickly, and so should your strategies. Stay open to learning new skills, adapting your plan, and seizing new opportunities. The more flexible you are, the easier it will be to overcome challenges and stay on track toward your goals. Building financial freedom is easier when you have support. Surround yourself with people who encourage your goals, share your values, and inspire you to keep going. Whether it's friends, family, or online communities, having a support system can make all the difference on your journey. Set aside time each month to review your progress. Check your spending, savings, and income streams. Adjust your plan as needed to stay on track. Regular reviews help you catch problems early and make smarter decisions. Remember, flexibility and awareness are key to long-term success. The best time to start building financial freedom is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for everything to be just right. Take the first step today, no matter how small. Your future self will thank you for the actions you take now. Remember, 5 years will pass anyway, make them count.